He apologized.
Yes.
Thank God though. Thank God Emeka has finally changed.
My sister, he promised never to treat us bad again. I just pray this change continues. I pray he continue to be a good husband and a good father to our children.
Susanna, for him to take you to church today, it means he has changed. And this is for real. Seriously.
Are you sure? You're right.
Susanna, your problem is that girl. Eh? You see that Doris, eh? Nwawa Anyike. She's Emeka's problem. Seriously. If you can succeed in removing that girl out of your way, your marriage will be blessed. I am telling you.
But the problem is, how can I remove her out of the way? I think I should put more strength in my husband changing than trying to remove. If I remove this one, he carry another one, uncle. I go.
Why? Are you not a woman? No, are you not a woman? Eh? Other ladies fight their side chicks so they can keep their marriages. You have to wake up and fight for what rightfully belongs to you. You have to wake up. Seriously, you don't have to tremble in opposition or changes. You don't have to. Fight, wake up and fight for what belongs to you, for what rightfully is yours. Fight! That is what I want.
No problem. I'll put everything in prayer.
You see that Doris, eh? She's a thief here. Eh? While you are the rightful owner. Seriously, the rightful owner, they are always bold. Why the thief? They are scared. In your own case, you're the rightful owner and you are scared. Why she that is the thief here? She's busy parading your husband everywhere in this village. That is an error and it has to be corrected. Seriously, act fast.
Thank you. Like I said, I'll do my best to make sure I keep my home. Thank you. Well, you've been very supportive and I appreciate you.
Oh, I do. I just want you to bounce back, seriously.
Oh, let me quickly head back home. Oh, and just say rice and bosoka.
It's okay.
Oh, thank you.
Oh.
This is what I want you to do. Fight. Oh my God.
Susanna, hurry up now. Look at the time. I'm ready for Port Harcourt already. Hurry up. You're never in a hurry to do anything in your life. What's wrong with you? Just bring the children. Let me take them to school. Then I can go to where I'm going.
I'm sorry, my
Look at the time. Look at how long it took you to bring these kids out.
husband, sorry.
I've been here for too long. You know I'm traveling.
You know it's not easy to wake these children up, bath them and cook for them. Oh?
It's okay. Let's let them come. Let's go. You up in. Hold on. Wait. Come. What are they wearing? Why are they wearing rags? Wait, and you expect them to hop into the car like this? You want me to carry them to school? I can't carry them in my car like this. They can't be looking this way.
Are they not your children?
And so, even they're my kids. They can't be looking this way and enter this car. It's not possible. I mean, maybe we'll just leave it next time.
They will still be like this next time. Yes. Unless you give me some money to make new school uniform for them. That's the problem.
It's okay. Just hold on. I'm coming. You all should wait here.
It's okay. Daddy loves you. No, he's not going to take us to school. Don't worry. We can even use keke and pepe. When you make new school uniform, Daddy will take you. Okay. It's very nice, man.
Just take this.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Change their uniform. You can change their bag if there's need for that, but just get rid of these things. And please, I don't want to see these clothes anywhere around this house again.
All right.
I'm already late for my journey. I need to be up now.
No problem, my husband. We'll use keke na perfume.
Please. Let them use keke. Let them not enter this car.
No problems, no problems.
Jay.
Okay.
Please open the gate for me. And when you open the gate, go to the next junction and make sure you find keke that they use to go to school.
Yes, sir.
All right? Last please.
Bye. Safe, Wadanya. Don't worry. It's just for today. Bam. Why you get?
Oh, Susan. This why you are in my place. You have not come here before. I hope all is well.
All is not well. And all cannot be well with the way Nwagisieme. Please, ma, I am here to warn you, to tell your daughter to stay away from my husband. Please. Because the way you are laughing and pretending as if you don't know what I'm talking about, your daughter now owns a car. As a virtuous Christian mother, you are supposed to ask her, what are you doing for a living? Can I be singwete ego? But no, each enjoyment, party after party, imandria. Obrugina moto you never enjoy. But let me make it clear to you. My husband bought that car for her. To avoid let her stay away from my husband. Just look at me. Look at me. My husband no longer takes care of me physically, emotionally, financially. All his attention is now on your daughter. Your daughter, Erigo, thank you. Don't mention my marriage. I am begging you as a mother, warn your daughter to stay away from my husband. If I get her anywhere close to my husband again, what I will do to her, you will not recognize her again. That's why I decided to come. If she dares go close to my husband again, after this warning, after this official family warning, hey God, I will so embarrass her. I will make a video of her, strip her naked, post on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, everywhere, so that the world will know how shameless she is. Let her carry her big bum bum and stay off my matrimonial home.
Trouble Hey, Susanna, if there's anybody you have a problem with, it was your husband, not me, not my daughter. Did you see me in your house? Did you see my daughter in your house? What is your problem? So, you know my daughter, right? I heard you say big bumbo. So you saw that big bumbo, and you don't know that your husband has fallen for the big bumbo. If you are the man, won't you fall? Just carry yourself and leave my compound now. Jesus. Carry me yourself and leave my compound now immediately. Jesus. What is wrong with you?
Wait. I don't understand. Is this what you have to say? Is this what you're saying?
What else am I supposed to say? So you don't know that a man is capable of marrying as many wives as he can take care of?
Then let her wait. Let him come and marry her. Marriage, now let her wait. Now let's come and pay bride price. He has not married her. So right now, your daughter is trespassing in my marriage. Okay, check her.
We are taking it easy. We are licking the soup small because it's still hot. By the time it gets cold, and it's like an email small. Do everything. Marriage happen, no?
I rebuke you.
Let me tell you, you know that the problem that girls of nowadays have is that they are so selfish. So if you are your husband, you will not fall in love with my... Look, you may go down the lapa. My daughter bought it for me. Hey, check him out. So you don't want me to continue enjoying money. So go and enjoy money. Are you... So I know the mega. Who told you no fun and is no fun? Okay. Who told you that one woman can be enough for one man? There's no way a woman will be enough for a man. Or not possible. You people are dreaming. You people are dreaming, thinking that once you marry a man, you keep him to yourself. It is not possible. My daughter is. Oh my God! What? We must wear that ukwa. Can make sure that it has the same shape on around to attract men. And you are. If you don't leave my compound this minute, if I go inside and come back, I will bet you with hot water. I have always told women, if you go into a man's house, he has money. If you get dedicated shift to another man, but I don't want to come and eat small. Are you selfish? Stop being selfish.
on, I got you okay for. Nonsense. Come again, you want one. Wow. You know, what is coming? Now, come on.
Hey, so you mean Wanike opened her mouth, and said that she will pour hot water on you simply because you came to warn her to tell her daughter to stay off your husband? No. This is unacceptable. Yes, it is unacceptable. You know what? I'll report this to the Umuadia meeting. By the time she appears before them, she will repeat what she told you. She will repeat it. What nonsense? Why will a woman like her be supporting evil? Why would she be doing that? What is this life even turning into? Vomiting her mouth and be saying that rubbish.
This woman have the guts to tell me that as an African man, every African man is entitled as many wives as possible. That my husband is entitled to having many wives. That so that her daughter is not my problem. That I should go and fight my husband if I want to fight.
She's very wicked. She said all this thing to you. She must appear before Umuada so she will vomit those rubbish that she said. Susanna, I like the way you are standing up to what rightfully belongs to you. I like it. Just keep it up, Don't relent. I like the way you're acting seriously. Especially now your husband's heart is beginning to come back to you and your children. I like it.
God will see me through.
Yes,
Bro, very well.
He will see you through.
Chibuzo, hey. My brother. Is that you?
Luna.
Hey. Omo, I've been looking around using style to look for you in this town. Now, where have you been now?
You know now. I went to the city to make money, but I'm back now.
No wonder. I've been using style to look for you.
See,
now welcome. Oh.
See, thank you. See, the story, since I came back, the story I've been hearing about our friend, Emeka, I don't like it.
What did you hear?
It's about that girl that suffered with him now. I don't just like the story I'm hearing at all.
Chibuzo, I have decided that I will never put my mouth in anything concerning Emeka again. I will never. I have warned him, I have begged him, I have talked to him, but he doesn't want to listen to me, so he has his own life to live. He should decide what he wants for himself.
That's true, Sha. That's true. Everybody get their life to live now.
That is it, oh.
Tired. How far now? What about that woman now?
Which woman?
You know now, that family joint.
Oh, Mama Ejima. The one close to that market. She did now. She fell ground. She's still there.
Oh yeah, now. I go be now. Later in the evening.
Don't worry. Just come out now. 1 or 2 bottles. For the sake of old days now. What's up?
1 or 2 bottles.
Hi. Hey. Later.
Jesus. Hey, come back. Don't disgrace yourself. If you don't want people to hear my voice, come back here. Come back. At your meeting. Come back. Let's talk woman to woman.
But what are you doing here? And how did you get to this place?
You still have the nerve to ask me stupid questions. It can answer you. Now listen and listen good. Stay away from my husband. Stay away. You know he's married with kids. Are you not aware? Why are you running up and down following my husband? Squandering his money. Look at me. Look at the way I look. Look at me. You're using this nonsense thing to deceive my husband. Okay? This should be the very last time I warned you. See, I got my eyes on you. I don't care. But if I see you close to my husband again, I'll make sure I strip you naked. I will make video of you. I'll post you on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, everywhere. I will disgrace you. I will embarrass you. This is the last time. I will warn you. Go and find your own. Chukwemeka is a happily married man with children. Amota Jesus Christ. Stay away from him.
Idiot.
I shall.
How did she get here? Hey. This is serious.
My mother called me. She told me that she came to the house and asked her to warn me.
Wait, you mean she went to your mother to ask her to warn you?
I did not tell you. She went to our house in the village. And now, she came to my hostel. How did she manage to know my room? This is where I'm scared.
These village wives, you'll be underrating them as amateurs, not knowing that they are mafians. Zibo Street.
I know what to do. I won't keep quiet because if I do, she will eventually carry out her threat. I think I know what to do.
What exactly do you want to do?
Just watch me.
Nne.
If your girl in action.
Hey!
If your girl in action, now back on web and the power. Stay away! You are a snatcher. You need to have seen the face. It was written all over her.
I think she's bold. She's proud that she's enjoying another woman's husband. Eh? Why is she afraid now? Let her stay and fight woman to woman. On her boss. She should have stayed now.
With what I told her, I know she will start avoiding my husband.
That is better for her. On her one.
Also,
yes, that is what we want. Obloya, you gotta move 5 because
thank
you.
No. But I can't get because if not that you ignited the fire in me, I wouldn't. I wouldn't have. I would have been scared to confront her. But after you spoke to me, ginger, move was. And I was talking to her, I was looking straight into her eyes.
Now back.
Can't possess my possession. Only the violent take it in my force.
So what are friends for? Iron sharpened iron.
Hey, no, thank you.
Yes.
Stay away.
Is that why you drove down to the village unannounced? Just because of this threat?
Mama, that woman sounded so desperate. You need to hear the way she was threatening me. I was scared.
She cannot do more than she has done already. Don't you know women again? The only thing they know how to do is to write. That's all. She has done her worst.
So relax. Are you saying I should not take her serious?
You want to hear what I want to say, right? I am saying that you should not take her serious at all. Do you know the only assignment you have? The assignment is just to keep collecting money from this man. Stop him. As long as he's ready to bring money, keep stopping him. That's the only assignment. Forget about the woman. She's a nice baker.
Mama, are you saying she's not going to carry out her threats? Are you serious?
Not carry out her threat. She's not going to carry out the threat. But if she does, let's see a way to stop her.
What's that, Mama? Tell me. How?
You see everything you say outside. I'll tell you when I get inside.
Mama. Okay, Mama, let's go inside. See, there is no time. No time for anybody. I need to know now. Mama, Mama, let's go now. There's no time. Mama, please come on. She can't do anything.
She can't do anything.
Message from Doris. What's she saying? I saw a message from Doris now. This relationship is over. My life is in danger. Is this message meant for me? What exactly is she talking about? Whose life is in danger? This relationship is over? How can you send me this kind of message? What sort of message is this? What do you mean by this relationship is over? What did I do wrong to you? All the things you've ever asked of, I've done everything to you. I mean, what is it? I've provided for you several times. You've never asked of anything that I've never provided for you before. If it's money you need, why would you have to call over? Why would you call off the relationship? Why? Okay, you're sending another one. Same message. Baby, this relationship is over. My life is in danger. What is going on now? Huh? Why should not begin our calls? Pick your call now, eh? What danger are you talking about? Pick your call. What's going on? What's going on? Why is she not taking her calls? What sort of danger could she be referring to?
How about that new boyfriend of yours that was asking you out?
That guy. Forget it.
Emeka Red Heart.
Who is that?
Oh, yes. Emeka.
So, why are you not picking his call?
It's a plan. It is called game plan.
Game.
And I'm very sure that the end results will be wonderful.
Game plan.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, good night. I want to sleep.
All right, good night.
Emeka Red Heart.
The call or you put it on silent is disturbing me.
Okay, whatever. Can you also put off the light over there?
What's going on? I couldn't even concentrate. I called your phone several times. You weren't taking your calls.
Because I don't want to talk to you.
Do you know how far I had to go? I had to go as far as lying with my late mother just to make it out to sea because I don't even think I can survive it today if I don't see you.
That is because I don't want to talk to you.
Why? What did I do wrong to you?
My life is in danger. Because of us. Because of you.
I don't get it. I am confused. What are you talking about?
The woman you called your wife.
Susanna? What did she say to you? Doris, please, talk to me.
She went to my mother, warned her against me. As if that was not enough. She came here. I'm even wondering how she managed to find me. And she told me if I don't leave you, she will kill me. Please, you have to choose between both of us. Is it your wife or me? Because I don't want to lose my life because of any man. Please.
Did you say my wife Susanna warned you?
Does it look like I'm joking?
Please, just give me some time. Just give me some time.
Yes. Yes. Go and deal with her. Rubbish. Until now, stand warning me for what?
Susanna! Who is your husband? It is not your husband, I will kill you! Susanna! You know what I said? It's the husband of yours, I will kill you! Why?
What happened?
Stop pretending and stop acting as if you don't know what happened. Who gave you the moral right to confront my girlfriend? Who sent you?
So, this is what all of these things is all about. Yeah? I, your wife, I don't have the right to confront her. Well, I told that stupid thing to stay away from my...
What do you call stupid? Are you mad? You called her stupid thing. May I remind you that the girl you call stupid is the love of my life. The one who's giving me so much joy in this life. I never loved you and you knew it. You forced yourself on me because you helped me when my mother was dead. You came to feel the vacuum of her absence and then you feel it's a moral right for me to end up with you as my wife. But listen, this marriage is not working, and if you don't like it anymore, use the door and go with your kids. Do I make myself clear?
You don't love me. Is that what you're saying?
I'm saying it and I'm repeating myself again. I do not love you, can't you see? Can't you read into my eyeballs that there is no love in this marriage for crying out loud?
So because of that thing, you're treating me...
If you repeat that again, if you call her that thing, I will decide on you. As a matter of fact, let me just go. If I just speak to your stars, if she changes her mind where I am, you are dead.
You said she's not your spec of a woman. You said she's too low for your liking. You see her as a mistake that you make every day. Think again. What about the sacrifice that she made for you? What about the huge price that she paid for you?
I am sorry, my love. I am sorry for the embarrassment she caused you. I had to deal with her decisively over what she did this time around. As a matter of fact, what I did to her right now, she will never forget it till she dies.
Are you sure?
Of course I'm very sure. Do you know I had to beat her because of you? Yes, I had to mend her, I had to deal with her to prove to her that I value you more than I do over her. Everything is just for you.
Anyway, you just make sure that she doesn't carry out her threats.
Oh, please, that's just a threat. She can't even hurt a fly, if you must know.
Really?
Yes, I know her too well. She can't hurt a fly. She was only blabbing. You know what they say mouth making? She was making mouth. Trust me, she was only making mouth. Is that look for me? Come on, give me that look again, baby.
I love you.
Oh my God, I love you, Mom. Oh shit. There's something about you. Look at me. I seem quite helpless.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Sonny, happy. Where's your mother?
We didn't see her. We have been waiting for her since other parents came to carry their children. So instead of waiting, I told Sonny that we should go.
Do you know the road? How sure are you that you can beat oncoming vehicles and motorcycles when you see one?
We can.
Oh yeah, hold your brother, so that both of you will walk on the same lane, okay? And please be very watchful about oncoming vehicles and motorcycles.
Okay.
Don't talk to anybody. Don't say hi to anybody. Just concentrate and get home.
Okay, Auntie.
Oh.
Bye.
Bye. What is going on? Are you sure their mother is alright? I mean, why didn't she go to school to pick them up? Hey. I just hope she's alright. I pray so.
Mom!
People are back.
Yes.
I'm so sorry I slept off. So who brought you guys back?
Nobody.
Yes, nobody. But Mom, why are you crying? Crying? I'm not crying, I'm fine.
But your eyes are...
Shh. Go inside, keep your bags, freshen up and come out for your meal. Okay, well, let's go. Okay. I'm so sorry I didn't come to you. Yeah, go. I'm so sorry I slept.
You are a genius.
Omua, why you get? Look at. How can I sit down and watch another woman take the money that God has channeled to me away? And then me, no one does that. Who does that?
And I me, Mama. Hey, you need to see the way he was begging me. He had to go and beat her up with a strong warning never to try it again before he came back and begged me.
That is how it should be. It should be like that. Look at when you're going to Benz in a bit of Amaka. Or water, na tuke and Amaka. Look at you now. Hey, oh well, where's the way to get that man with you?
She does not have now. I know who I gave birth to. Oh, cable. I gave birth to you. As na agwa na amu here agwa na amu here torogonogo. Pino. Ogano. Akwekem. Mama, please don't blow my head off because you're already blowing my head off. Bikono. Hey, ana amakwana aka. Do not worry. Obu no si na ife a na-eme nwere isi. Egburu isi onye anwa tinye na ya. Ife a na-eme nwe isi yo nke immediately. Ozugo, mama. Ozugo. No, mama. Ozugo. Don't worry, mama. I am coming next week. I'm coming to give you a treat. A special treat, mama. Because you deserve it. I am coming. Adventure, na batana no me wanyi ke ne o na echagi arum need the treat. I go on ye. Susanna ya na suzo ari ife na ebe. Alright, mama. I love you, mama. I love you. Bye-bye. I don't care more. I'm going to call you. He left everything he was doing in PH. Drove straight down here. After I told him everything that happened, he drove to his wife, beat up his wife thoroughly, came back and apologized. You can't believe it. He went back to PH today.
Are you serious?
I'm not kidding you, my sister.
See, this thing you are saying you are not going to marry this guy will not work at all. This guy loves you very much.
Oh, please. Who is talking about love? If it's a joke, please stop that nonsense. Don't even say it again. I don't want to fight with you. I have told you, I am just cashing out. Cashing out, okay?
But the reason you are cashing out successfully is because the guy in question loves you very much. Do you think it's that easy to be cashing out from one particular guy all because of sex? Babe, girls plenty. Pussy full everywhere. Sex is too cheap, very cheap.
Really?
Yes.
And I am not one of those random girls. I'm not one of those cheap girls or one of those cheap pee. Come on, this is Doris. This is Doris. The endowed Doris. Hello. Nwabudi hot akara. Hey, Del. Don't even go there, please. And you know too well to compare me with those cheap girls. Please, love it. Hello.
Easy.
Thank you.
Easy.
Thank you. I didn't do anything bad by falling in love with him. I didn't do anything bad in accepting to stay back after everyone deserted him when the mother died. I didn't ask him to come make love to me. I only volunteered to keep him company.
Susanna.
Yes, what is it?
I'm feeling so lonely and also scared of sleeping alone in the bedroom. So please, can I join you and sleep here?
You can join me.
Okay. Please, can I cuddle you? I mean, just cuddle, nothing else.
Feel free.
Feel free. Susie, I'm so sorry for what just happened. I never knew you were still a virgin. I'm so sorry.
You don't have to be. You did not rape me. I consented to it. I am even happy that I lost my virginity to the very first man I have ever loved in my life. So, don't say sorry. You did me no wrong.
He actually knew he was apologizing for. Now I know better. He was apologizing because when I thought we made sweet love, he knew it wasn't lovemaking. He knew he was just taking advantage of the poor girl who volunteered to help out. Emeka, the last thing I would do is to beg you to love me. Go to the one you love. I will never stop you from going to her since you chose her over me. There is no problem. Onya juraju, oga aju onwe. Hey, oh yeah, it's not me that keke man will disappoint. We'll just go to Joshua and take another keke.
Wait, where are we going?
We're going to our new house.
Our new house? New house. Is Daddy packing with us?
Your daddy is not coming with us. You know you people are still children. But when we get to the house, I'll explain so many things to you guys. Oh, for now, we have to be on our way. Hey, yeah, security. Go. Come and take this key. When your guy comes back, tell him that we have gone. No, yeah.
Where do you go? Hello? Oga, good morning.
GF, good morning. How are you?
Oga, Adeo. Oga, problem though.
What problem?
Madam don't carry her bag, all her bag with the children. They don't get that care come out for us. So I talk to you like this now. Then give me the main asking from my hand. They don't lock the house, give me the key.
It's okay. I heard you. Just keep the key for me. I'll come back by the weekend.
Huh?
You heard me. Just make sure you take care of the house.
You don't call. Hi! This small guy wicked though. You know even shock him. Say his wife and the children don't come out for us. Make her keep the key, say go come. Hi!
See the pain I'm being through, all because of love. Each step is so painful. Honestly, I'm lost. The loneliness I face, the endless tears I shed, my heart is torn apart. Onyeze kam gakoro.
Bye. Sonny, happiness, my children, I want you to understand and manage here for now. This is our new home. I know it's not all that comfortable. It will not be as comfortable as where we are coming from, but we need peace. It's better we stay here and stay safe than we stay there and die here.
No. Why does Daddy rate us?
It's okay. The most important thing is that we have a new home. We are where we can be happy. We are where nobody will maltreat us or make us feel less of ourselves. So let's go inside. I promise to make you happy. Oh? Just be happy. I want both of you to be very comfortable in this house. Don't be scared. Yeah? This is my grandmother's house. My father and my mother lived here before both of them died in a car accident on the same day. This is where I was living as a young girl, working hard, trying to make ends meet before I meet the father, my husband. So after I met him, our background are almost the same. He lost his mother. Everything was tearing apart for him. I had to move in with him. So this is where I was living before I moved in to live with your father. Why am I telling you this little story? Because I want you to be comfortable. I want you to know that our safety, our peace of mind is what is most important. Instead of staying in that mansion where we don't have peace of mind, where your father treats us anyhow, I would rather we stay here and have peace of mind. And I will do everything within my powers to make sure that I make both of you comfortable.
Then why did we leave Daddy's house? I thought you said he has changed. Yes, but he started caring for us while we were there.
You are a baby. Both of you are children. There are so many things you cannot understand till you grow up. Okay? So for now, let's be here. You go to school from here. I will try to get something doing so I can take care of both of you. Don't worry. Nanugo, you know mommy loves you. You know mommy loves you so much. And mommy will do everything to make you happy.
My daughter, Mama, I've been meaning to ask you this, but I think it's necessary now. What is your plan about this young man, Emeka?
What kind of plan, Mama?
Imagine. What I mean is this, now that the wife and the children have left him, don't you think of moving in with him officially?
Mama, you want me to marry him?
You are supposed to marry him now. Or you don't want to marry him?
Mama, I'm not in love with him. I just love his money, that's what I'm in love with somebody else, Mama. Yes.
Okay, you don't love him. You are in love with his money. Wait, let me tell you something you do not know. You know I am more experienced than you in this business. Once there's money and you love money, the love for the money is enough for every other love you need in that marriage. What am I saying? Get ready and marry that man. Up and immediately.
Mama, I know what you want. A rich in-law. That's all you want. Money. Money. Mama, don't worry. Don't worry yourself. I got you.
They want you. You know about this saying? A bird at hand is worth more than millions in the bush. That's my fear. To marry you.
So you don't trust me? You don't even trust your daughter that you trained? Mama, you don't trust me? You think I'm a fool? All those money you see me throwing around, where do you think I get it from? You think it's only Emeka? There are more people than Emeka. Yes. So don't worry yourself. I would give you money. I will get you a rich in-law. I will marry a rich man, a wealthy man who has money to spend. You want money, right? You want car, big house. You want to be eating chicken. You know me now. I trust you, my daughter. I'm going to do something. I trust. I know what you can do. Now you are talking, Mama. See, what we'll do, let's just keep Emeka where he belongs.
Okay, immediately.
Yes. Mama, you like money. Mommy ego. Oh, Mama ego. Money. Wait for us. Mama, please. Don't worry yourself. You have nothing to fear. I would make sure you enjoy yourself. Money, Mama.
When we thought it was all over, when we are all happy and celebrating his change, and then he decides to go back to his normal ways again.
Nem. He didn't go back to his normal ways. It became worse.
Do you know my husband looked me in the eyes and told me that he's not in love with me, that he has never loved me? Arabam. After everything I did for him, after all my sacrifice, all my impute, Chukwuemeka decided to choose a prostitute over a wife, a liability over an asset, a slut over a prayerful, virtuous woman. If not for me, he wouldn't have been where he is today. But he decided to forget everything. Ochefuru yesterday. Onemanyosom, I never loved you. Hey, but it's okay. It is okay. There is no point crying for what is gone. I had already given up on that marriage. I had given up on love. Let him go with the love of his life. Nyagaban no can zuike once and for all. Onye don't do name love. Susanna. Before my time.
Susanna, it's okay. Oh, it's okay. Stop enumerating all these things. It will keep breaking your heart over and over again. Just let it go.
My dear, my heart has seen it all. What is it I've not seen? This my heart is shattered already. In a koku breaking. Nothing breaks me anymore. Whatever happens now, just look at it and smile. Because I've seen worse. My experience in my matrimonial home is something I never wish. I will never wish even my worst enemy. Egan on a mansion. There is money. You have husband, but you're living like a widow.
I know. It's okay. Everyone knows this. Oh? Mana, is open. I don't like here. Yes, I don't like this place at all. I have discussed with my husband before coming here, and he has agreed to give you and your children a room in our house.
Don't worry.
Oh?
Don't bother yourself. You know me, I don't like being parasite now. I don't like being mad. This is my great parents' house. This is where I was living before I met Emeka and fell in love. Don't worry yourself. Nothing will happen to me. I'm comfortable here. Is it not me that trained Emeka? Is it not me that helped him to actualize his goal? Don't worry. I will just make sure that I am very hardworking. I will save some money, then I will take it up from there. Don't bother yourself. Oh? And moreover, you people have done so much for my children and I. I just want to say thank you. I really appreciate. I wonder what I would have done without you guys.
It's okay. What our best is for. If I don't do it for you and your kids, who will I do it for? Eh? Hey,
Medalo, it is well already for me to have come out with my life. When you went to first, life.
But in case you change your mind, you can come over. Oh,
don't worry, I'm always here. I can always visit you too. It's no problem. It's no problem.
See the pain I'm being through, all because of love. Each step is so painful. Honestly, I'm lost. The loneliness I face, the endless tears I shed, my heart is torn apart. Onyezikam gakoro.
Jinaka Okarire goa Yemu jinaka Oboku Chineke Yem jinaka Okarire go Yemu jinaka Oboku Chineke.
See the pain I'm being through, all because of love. Each step is so painful. Honestly, I'm lost. The loneliness I face, the endless tears I shed, my heart is torn apart. Onyezikam gakoro.
Mom, what is wrong with you?
Mom, won't we go to school today? Mommy,
aren't you going to eat today?
Mommy, wake up. Come and talk to us. Mommy, talk to us. Mommy. What do we do now? Who do we call?
I don't know.
Mommy, please wake up now. Mommy, we're already late for school.
Yes.
Oh, wake up now. Mommy, wake up.
Is this not happiness and her brother Emeka's children? Pure water! Pure water! Pure water! Come. Come! What is this? There is nothing good about this afternoon. Now, who gave you this thing to sell? Where is your mother and why you need to go to school? Why?
My mother is very sick. She can't talk. She can't even open her mouth. She can't even open her eyes. We're so hungry that we took some sachet pure water so that we could sell and get some money to buy food. Yes, sir.
Emeka! It will never be well with you. For bringing these children into this world and allowing them to suffer when you can actually afford their education and give them a good life. So, why didn't people come to my house to tell me or my wife what happened to your mother? Why? What have you eaten?
We ate only biscuits and drank water.
Biscuit and water! Oh. Listen, both of you, this is the first and the last. You won't sell this water again. Do you understand me? Huh? We are living here right now. Come on. Now, oh yeah, let's go. Hey, madam, I'm coming here. They come. Give me your hand. Give me your hand. I don't want to stay. What really happened?
She didn't wake up early to prepare us for school. When we woke up, we saw her lying like this. We tried waking her up, but no response.
It's okay. It's fine. Alright? Nothing will happen to your mother. So I will go out there to get a car so I can take her to the hospital. I'll drop it with my wife. She'll take care of you people. Alright? You'll be fine. Now, don't go anywhere.
Thank you, sir.
It's okay. I'm coming, alright?
Okay,
don't go
sir.
anywhere. I'll be right back.
Okay?
Mom, please wake up now. If we tried waking up, how will she be able to?
We'll have to run series of tests on her to ascertain what the problems are. For now, we will not commence treatment on her till the test results are out by tomorrow.
So, doctor, can I see her now?
Sure, you'll have to be around. She'll need to see a familiar face by the time she wakes up.
It's fine, I'm around. I'll just hang around. Just monitor so I can see her.
Okay.
Thank you, doctor. How are you?
Okay. You're welcome.
Thank you.
So, how is she now?
She hasn't woken up till now.
Hey.
Yes, the doctor suggested I leave. That she'll be awake by morning. And by then, all the test results will be out.
Child, you have really tried for your friend though. God will bless you.
What friend are you talking about? Emeka? You think I'm doing all these things because of Emeka? I'm doing all this because of Susanna and her kids. When I see Emeka, which friend? Nah. By the way, where are they?
They're inside sleeping.
Oh, have they eaten?
Sure, I'm giving them food.
That's nice.
Okay,
I trust you.
sit down while I get your food for you. Oh, I know you must be stressed.
Wife.
Oh.
Well, actually. Alright, I'm waiting.
I'm right back. Oh.
Yeah.
She has malaria. She has typhoid. She's 6 weeks pregnant. Her blood pressure is high.
Chai.
Where is her husband and why is he not taking care of her?
Doctor, just talk to me. Forget about that fool, please.
Well, she has accumulated a lot of sicknesses and no medication, no checkups, nothing.
So, doctor, what's the way forward?
We'll have to commence treatment immediately, and you also need to make more payments.
It's fine. So, first things first, can I see her?
I'm fine.
Alright, so I should ask the nurses at the desk? Yes. Thank you. Ne. How are you doing?
You're getting better, thank you.
Good morning.
How about my children?
They are fine. They've gone to school. My wife took them to school, and after school, she'll bring them here. Alright?
Thank you so much. May God bless you and your wife for me.
Thank God you're responding. Excuse me. Emeka, big baby. The only thing you know how to do is to just live with this woman and put her in family. You don't care about her well-being. Listen, the wife almost died yesterday. Oh, you're asking me how I knew? Okay. Now I saw your children hawking at the market square yesterday. I saw them hawking. Emeka, your own children hawking. Emeka, you that is very rich. Now, they said she's unconscious in the house. I had to go to the house yesterday, picked her, and thank God I even came. Brought her to the hospital only for the doctor to tell me that she's so down with malaria, typhoid, Emeka, high blood pressure, and to crown it all, she is pregnant with your own child. Listen, doctor asked me to deposit money. I deposited 100,000, and they need 200,000, and they need more money for other things too. So please, why am I even saying please? It's your wife. So send 200,000 naira. You have my details, my account details. So send it. Nonsense. It's fine. It's fine. You'll be alright, okay? You will send the money. I have deposited 100,000 already. Okay?
My babies. Missed you.
I miss you too.
How was school today?
Fine.
It was fine. Thank God you're awake. How are you feeling now?
Sister, I'm a lot better. I don't even know how to start appreciating you and your husband. May God bless you guys for me. Thank you.
Amen. Amen.
And my children, who asked you and your sister to go and hawk pure water? Eh? Why did you go to hawk pure water?
We were hungry. And you didn't say anything.
But we have money in that room now, eh? We have money in that room. What if one reckless drunk driver had knocked one of you on the road, getting a mark? What would I have said? Please, be open.
Both of you know you are all I have. Unanano, are you listening to mommy? Please don't hop pure water next time. Biko, no matter the situation, just go and meet your auntie. Don't hop pure water. Come you off. Oh, you know mommy loves you, right?
Yes. Susanna, let's go. It's okay. God actually used their innocent move to save your life. Okay? To me, I don't think there's need you blaming anyone here. We should thank God for saving your life. Oh,
I love my babies.
I love you too. I love you too.
It's okay, everything will be fine. Please, Biko. If you can listen to me, take these children back to their father's house.
Mama, Eunice, what are you even begging me for? To take my children back to a place where we are not loved, cared for, or valued? Is that what you're telling me? Of course we live in a mansion, but we don't wear good clothes. We don't eat good food. My husband don't care about me or my children. I had already given up on that relationship or marriage. He should go ahead with the love of his life. They can continue. You see, for me, no. I'd rather be in the bush than be in a mansion where my husband is not treating me right.
Susanna, have you considered the baby in your womb?
Exactly.
I understand. Don't worry. I will give birth and take care of my child. For my children, I'll make sure they are comfortable.